Hi. In this video, we will quickly tell you about CallRail for consultancy. Stay on top with CallRail. Provide more value to your clients and add new revenue doing it. With access to our best in-class onboarding, dedicated account manager, robust partner portal, and exclusive partner community, you can ensure your clients are set up for success. Provide more value to your clients and add new revenue doing it. Support your clients. Offer your clients access to industry-leading call tracking and robust business communications. Expand your offerings. Tap into the tools, training, and support you need to build new services and boost client engagement. Grow your revenue. Earn a 20% monthly revenue share as a CallRail certified partner and become eligible for quarterly cash bonuses. Add Lead Center to unlock the complete CallRail platform. We don't just work with 700 marketing platforms, we make them better. In a few clicks, our call and conversion data fuels deeper insights automatically. Don't guess which marketing's working. Know with call tracking. Under the hood, call tracking uses dynamic number insertion to keep track of online activity like PPC ads, emails, social media posts, and keywords. Source-level tracking follows the calls from offline marketing pieces, ads, mailers, brochures, billboards, and more. Long story short, if you can put a phone number on it, you can track it. Join the most successful businesses on the planet. CallRail is a service that tracks and manages your phone leads, helping businesses to determine which marketing campaigns are driving quality leads. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about CallRail and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.